Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. In a world that's moving much too fast, everybody chasing what won't last, running after fortune, running after fame, forgetting every face and every name. But I found a little place of peace where broken hearts can finally breathe. Not built with money, not built with fear. It's built wherever love lives here. A listening ear, a helping hand. That's how tomorrow learns to stand. One kind word can change the atmosphere. That's how love lives here. Love lives here, where forgiveness grows. Love lives here, in every heart that knows. Through every joy and every tear, we choose each other year by year. No matter where this road may lead, love lives here, and that's all we need. Yeah. It's in the mother praying through the night, in the father trying to do what's right, in every child learning how to dream. Believing life is more than it may seem. It's in the neighbor lending you a hand, standing with you when you can barely stand. Hope is louder than the voice of fear. That's why love still lives here. One open door, one honest smile can make the hard road feel worthwhile. The smallest kindness can be so sincere. That's how love lives here. Love lives here, where forgiveness grows. Love lives here, in every heart that knows. Through every joy and every tear, we choose each other year by year. No matter where this road may lead, love lives here, and that's all we need. Oh yeah, we're stronger than the walls that divide us, greater than the fear inside us. Hand in hand we'll write a better story, one heart at a time. The world may change around us, but one truth will always guide us. Love lives here. Let the whole world see. Yeah. Love lives here. Starting here with me. Lift your voice and have no fear. There's still hope from year to year. If we plant the seed with faith sincere, love will always live right here. Oh. Love lives here. Oh. Love lives here, in every home that chooses grace, in every heart that makes a place. Love lives here, forever lives here. After everything,
I'd still choose you.
every time, every season. We've seen the sunshine, we've walked through rain, held on tight through joy and pain. Some days easy, some days rough, but walking away was never enough. The years have changed the way we smile. Life has tested us all the while. Still every morning when I wake, you're the first choice that I make.
We've had questions without replies, silent tears behind our eyes, but every storm that came our way only taught our hearts to stay.
Love isn't perfect, love is true,
built by what we're willing to do. When the world says give it up, we keep filling each other's cup.
It's not about never falling, it's about rising hand in hand.
Every promise, every moment,
build this love that still can stand. We still choose us
again and again,
through every season,
through loss and through win.
when the world keeps changing.
One thing remains,
If I had another lifetime,
I'd choose you just the same.
we still choose us.
Every single day,
Yeah, every single day.
hey,
Not because we're free from scars, not because life hasn't been hard. It's because we learn somehow. Love is a daily promise now.
every laugh and every tear brought us closer year by year. No perfect story to pretend, just two hearts that won't give in.
When my strength is running low,
I'll remind you what we know.
love isn't measured by perfect days.
It's choosing each other in 1,000 little ways. We still choose us,
with grateful hearts,
not just the easy.
but every part.
Time may change us,
But this
stays true.
if tomorrow started over,
I'd still choose you.
we still choose us.
Again and again,
Forever begins
with choosing you.
still my home.
Still my heart,
Oh,
we still choose us.
we still choose us.
Come sit with me, leave the world outside tonight. It's just you and I. Kettle singing on the stove, your favorite cup already poured. Morning light through the window shines like it has 1,000 times. Bills are waiting by the door. Life keeps always asking us for more, but for a little while somehow nothing else can matter now.
No diamonds, no fancy things, just your hand reaching over to me.
That's enough, that's everything. Kitchen table love, where we laugh, where we cry, where we dream about tomorrow night. Kitchen table love, strong enough, built one conversation at a time.
No matter where this whole world goes,
this little table always knows love grows slow around kitchen table love.
I still remember our first chair. Didn't match but we didn't care. 2 small plates and borrowed dreams. Nothing was the way it seemed. Now the years have come and gone.
Somehow we kept holding on.
Every meal and every prayer built a little heaven here.
No perfect fairy tale, just 2 hearts that never fail.
Every day
Choosing grace, finding home in this little place. Kitchen table love, where we laugh, where we cry, where we dream about tomorrow night. Oh, kitchen table love, strong enough, built one conversation at a time.
every smile,
Every tear, love keeps growing right here. Kitchen table love. Some people chase the finer things.
we found treasure in ordinary days. Every story,
Every meal,
every promise,
every heat,
love was sitting,
waiting there,
waiting there.
waiting there.
Every story,
Every meal,
every promise,
every heat,
love was sitting.
waiting there. Kitchen table love. Kitchen table love, where our children learn to smile, where forgiveness stays a while. Kitchen table love,
Never rush, never buck.
never touched by gold.
Every blessing, every prayer.
Every memory we share,
If these walls could only speak,
they would tell the world love lives here around this kitchen table. One more cup of coffee, one more conversation,
whoa,
one more day together.
that's all I ever needed.
Ooh, kitchen table love.
Oh yeah. When the world gets heavy,
You don't have to carry it alone.
I'm right beside you. Some days I walk in with tired eyes, carrying dreams that feel too high. You don't ask me to have all the answers. You simply pull up another chair.
You hear the silence I can't explain. You stand with me through joy and pain. That's how I know this love is true. Every road keeps leading back to you.
Some nights I wonder if I'm enough, when life keeps testing both of us.
Then you remind me with just one smile
That hope thank the Lord for every mile.
We'll grow older, that's alright. Love grows stronger over time. Every wrinkle tells a story. Every season holds its glory.
Not because we never fought,
but because we rise together.
Love isn't measured by perfect moments.
It's measured by faithful hearts.
Right beside me
Every day,
through every season.
come what may.
If tomorrow brings sunshine,
Aye, tomorrow brings rain.
I'll still be standing. Right beside you.
Always, always.
Right beside each other. Oh, whoa, some things fade away, but not this love. Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Everybody's looking for the easy road, walking away when the pressure shows. But love was never made that way. It's built one choice at a time each day. We've seen sunshine, we've seen rain. We've held each other through the pain. Every season, every scar made us stronger than we are. Brick by brick, day by day, that's how forever finds its way. Hand in hand, heart to heart, that's where forever starts. Built to last, not just for a moment, not just for today. Built to stand when the strong winds blow.
When the hard times come, our roots still grow.
No matter what tomorrow brings,
Love is more than diamond rings.
built by faith, built on trust. We were
Time has changed the way we see what's important, you and me. Not the things that fade away, but choosing love again each day. Every promise, every prayer, every burden that we share. Side by side we learned at last, the strongest love is built to last.
stone by stone,
Dream by dream,
nothing's ever what it seems.
still we rise, still we stand, holding on with steady hands, built to last.
Not just for a season,
Not just while it's new.
built to stand when the sky turns gray.
Love keeps showing us the way.
Through the laughter and the tears, is fading nice and slow. Children laughing down the road, neighbors waving as they pass. Another evening made to last.
The breeze is dancing through the trees, carrying simple memories. No hurry now, nowhere to go, just watching another sunset glow.
Remember when we had so little,
still our hearts felt just as full.
plastic chairs and homemade juice.
Nothing fancy, nothing new,
Yet somehow those were golden years, filled with laughter, hope and prayer.
funny how the richest days
Never came with higher pay.
Let's slow down, let's breathe again. Let's remember where we've been. Front porch conversations,
where memories begin,
sharing dreams and laughter.
again and again.
No fancy destination, no perfect view, just me,
Just you,
front porch conversations.
oh, yeah. Hey, every wrinkle tells a tale, every victory, every fail. Still we're sitting side by side.
Watching another evening sky.
Life moves faster every year.
That's why these moments feel so dear. Sometimes all a heart needs most is someone willing to sit close.
One more story,
One more smile,
one more memory.
stay a while.
The best things in this life are free when you're right here beside me. Front porch conversations, where love finds its voice.
Every little moment,
Every little choice.
years may come and years may go.
One thing we will always know
The best part of our story
was never the destination. It was these front porch conversations. Oh, tomorrow can wait.
tonight.
Tonight is enough.
Let's stay here.
A little longer. Good morning.
Morning beautiful,
Another day, another blessing.
Morning sunshine through the blinds. Your sleepy smile still catches mine. Coffee brewing, sweet aroma. Nothing feels more like home.
No fancy plans, no rush today. Just a quiet little getaway. Right here inside these four walls, love answers every call. Your favorite cup is waiting there, a little cream just how you like. We laugh about the smallest things, like the treasures life can bring. Every sunrise feels brand new, simply waking up with you. No place I'd rather ever be than sharing this first melody. Before the world starts calling, before the busy day begins, let's steal a little moment, just us again,
2 cups of coffee, 1 heart, 1 dream,
a little more grateful
than yesterday seemed.
2 cups of coffee,
1 table, 2 chairs, a lifetime of love found right here.
the world can wait.
We've got all we need. 2 cups of coffee, and you beside me. Some people search for something more. We've already found what we're looking for. Not in riches, not in fame, just hearing you call my name.
Every morning starts the same, still it never feels routine. Love keeps writing brand new pages, even after all these years.
Let's grow older,
1 sunrise at a time,
1 more laugh,
1 more smile,
1 more reason
to thank God for today.
2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of coffee, 1 heart, 1 dream.
Still living every promise we dream.
2 cups of coffee, 1 table, 2 chairs.
Forever begins every morning,
Right here,
whatever tomorrow may bring.
the first song I'll ever sing
Is your name
over 2 cups of coffee,
see you tomorrow morning.
2 cups of coffee, same table,
Same love, good morning. Love
isn't planted in a day.
it grows 1 season at a time. Hey, we planted hope with careful hands, not knowing what tomorrow plans. Some days sunshine, some days rain, still we planted just the same.
Little prayers before we slept, promises we always kept, brick by brick and year by year.
Love was growing quietly here. Time became our closest friend, teaching hearts how not to bend. Every lesson, every scar showed us who we really are. Not perfection, not pretending, just 2 hearts that kept believing. Every sunrise seemed to show another place where love could grow. Every season,
Every season,
every tear
every reason
brought us here. Where love grows, hope keeps blooming, faith keeps moving, even after all we've known. Oh, where love grows, hearts keep healing,
dreams keep reaching,
roots grow
deeper than they're shown.
oh. Through every storm, through every rose, that's where
Love grows. Some flowers bloom a little late, still they blossom just the same. Love has never raced the clock, it simply learns to never stop.
helped our roots grow deep.
Kindness became the sunlight.
Grace became the rain.
Every season,
Every change
only made us
stronger. Where love grows,
hearts find shelter, hands hold tight. Every tomorrow starts today.
oh, where love grows,
Hope keeps singing, joy keeps living. Nothing beautiful comes too soon. Through every storm,
through every storm,
through every rose,
that's where
love grows. Hey, hey, hey. Love grows.
hey,
Every season,
every sunrise,
every day, love grows. Love grows.
meet me where the evening breeze still knows our names.
I'll be waiting.
Just like always. Oh, the day's been long, the sun hangs low, the ocean whispers soft and slow. Leave the worries where they are, come back home beneath the stars.
The coffee's warm, the lights are low. The breeze begins its gentle flow. Every evening feels brand new when I can spend it here with you.
I'll bring the laughter, you bring the smile. Let's forget the world a while.
No rushing hearts, no crowded streets, just simple love where silence speaks.
The flowers dance, the palms sway too. Even the moon smiles down on you.
Every dream we've carried through feels complete when I'm with you.
Leave tomorrow for tomorrow. Tonight belongs to us.
Meet me on the veranda,
Where the ocean meets the sky.
hold my hand, don't say a word.
Love is speaking loud tonight.
Meet me on the veranda,
Where forever feels so near. One more sunset, one more song. Right here where love belongs. Hey. Remember when we first came here with borrowed dreams and borrowed chairs?
now the years have gently shown love can turn a house into a home.
Every breeze recalls your name.
Every season feels the same,
Not because the years stood still,
but because they never change my will.
dance with me.
One more time,
Slowly,
under moonlight.
if this moment never ends,
I still choose
but love begins after the music fades. This is our story. Yeah. Oh. We made our promises years ago, with hopeful hearts and dreams to grow. We couldn't see what life would bring, the joy, the tears, the little things. The pictures faded on the wall, but somehow love outlived them all. Not because the road was clear, but because you stayed right here. The flowers came and went away, but love kept showing up each day. In every meal and every prayer, I found your heart was always there. Not every chapter felt the same. Some brought sunshine, some brought rain. Still every page we turned became another reason for your name. Love isn't written in one single day. It's written in 1,000 little ways. More than a moment, more than a memory, more than a promise, whispered quietly. It's every sunrise, every midnight call. Love becomes forever, one day at a time. More than a moment, for all of our lives. Hey, time has painted silver hair, still I find you just as fair. Every wrinkle, every smile tells a story worth the miles. When the children have all grown and the house feels calm and slow, I'll still reach across the room, looking for your hand to hold. If I could live this life again, I'd still choose every road with you. Not because it all was easy, but because it all was true. Every season, every year, only made our love more clear.